hundreds rescued, at least 7 dead as torrential rain floods pound South Carolina. At least 7 people are dead and hundreds have needed rescue as South Carolina continues to be deluged by rain and historic levels of flooding. Department of Transportation worker Timothy Wayne Gibson, 45, died Sunday, the most recent fatality blamed on the vast storm. Gibson was reportedly working on the flooded Garners Ferry Road, a major thoroughfare into the capital city. Transportation officials said his truck was caught in rushing waters, overturned and swept away. The National Weather Service said Sunday was the wettest day in the history of Columbia, with the rainfall total at the Metropolitan Airport coming in at a record 6.87 inches. The 2-day rainfall total for Saturday and Sunday was 10.44 inches and, since Friday, more than 20 inches have fallen in some parts. The fast-moving floodwaters have buckled buildings and roads, closed a 75-mile stretch of Interstate 95, and threatened the drinking water supply for the state's capital city. Governor Nikki Haley said Monday morning that 381 roads were closed, 127 bridges were down and more than 24 shelters were open. Over 1,000 law enforcement personnel and 1,000 transportation department workers are on duty. Utility crews are still trying to restore service to 30,000 customers. Haley said most people are heeding her plea to stay off the roads.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingme.webs.com.